Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a review video for you on this new dipping system that I received for review. I was contacted by the company called Double Dip and they offered me to review one of their new dipping systems, and because summer is coming they sent me these 3 colorful bright dipping powders and I couldn't be more excited. They are absolutely gorgeously looking, and with the 3 dipping powders they also sent me 4 of the 5 steps for being able to use these dipping powders immediately. The only one that I'm missing is the preparation, and that's the dehydrator, which you can technically use anything if you don't want to use this company's preparation liquid. But for my review purposes, 1, I do own one already, and 2, I will be showing you these on a swatch stick. It is just easier for me to demonstrate to you how these dipping powders work, but I will show you every step that comes with the set. I also have a 25% off coupon code, that Judita25. You can use it on their website until end of August, I believe. Please check the description box. I will have all the details listed for you there. And I do have high hopes because these dipping powders look really pretty, and as I said, they're just ready for summer. If you do enjoy this type of review videos, please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright, I will now demonstrate to you how these dipping powders work, how the entire system actually works, and then I will come back and share my thoughts on them. But if you do have any questions, please leave them for me in the comment section and I will try to answer them as soon as I can. So a big thank you to Double Dip again for sending these to me, and now let's jump into the review portion. Alright guys, so what were your thoughts on this dipping system from Double Dip? I really love the colors. They are absolutely beautiful, vibrant. You, for the most part, I believe will need only 2 coats. You can do 3 just to be on the safe side. As with neon colors and neon pigments, they tend to be a little patchy and uneven. So if you want to ensure that you have the full coverage, I would do 3 coats. But for my review purposes, 2 coats were plenty. Also, I redid some of my swatches because I did not realize at first that after you do the dip base, you shouldn't be using the activator immediately. I don't know why I did it, so anyways, just be very careful with the activator because it immediately destroyed my brush in the dip base. So I had to swap it out. Luckily, you are getting some extra brushes, which is really nice. So just be very careful once your activator touches any of the other brushes. Yeah, they are definitely destroyed, so just be very careful. Other than that, I believe this is a really nice kit for beginners. The size of these powders is 2 O's. That's like a huge big amount of product that you are getting. And as you could see, you are also getting the extra brushes, a small file and couple orange sticks. And if you order your product with my code until the end of August, you will also receive the cute little translucent makeup bag and the makeup brush that I showed you as well. Definitely follow the instructions that come with the kit and don't skip reading them like I did. So that was definitely a user error that you saw at the beginning. So you need to do on your natural nails or the nails themselves, you will use a dehydrator that did not come in my review kit. Then you will apply the base coat, dip your finger in the dip, wait couple minutes, apply another layer of the base coat, dip, do this as many times as you need it, and then do the activator. Once everything hardened enough, just take your file or whatever technique you are using, just to even out the surface of your nail, and then you can apply either the top coat that comes with this set or your favorite top coat that you know that works well. Also with the top coat, after I applied it over powder with the activator, I have to change that brush as well. Something is going on with the activator itself, not really sure what that is, but it works great. I mean, the entire system works great, and you do get the extra brushes in case if you by accident destroy them like I did. So I do apologize for that user error, and yeah, I haven't used dipping systems in a while, so I forgot the steps, and that's not good. Anyways, you can use my code Judita25 until the end of August in case if you are interested in purchasing this kit or other products that Double Dip offers. You can see their store address and you can also find them on Instagram. So thank you so much Double Dip for sending me this kit. I really enjoy it. I love the colors and the end result is definitely beautiful on your nails as well. I am really happy that I own this kit and I will be definitely using it more. If you do have any questions guys, please just leave them for me in the comment section, but I will try to link for you everything in the description box. And I do hope that you enjoy this quick rambly and but quick review on this system from Double Dip. So thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.